It's finally here. AS Color sent us some swag. What's up, y'all? I'm Johnny Walkhart, the man, the myth behind the motion. Gonna go ahead and be reviewing AS Color. I've been talking to AS Color reps for a little bit now. I met them back in Long Beach this year's Impressions Expo, and you know, I liked what they was doing. So here's the women's heavy faded cut shoulder sleeve tee. That's what I'm gonna call it, but it's basically the Rockstar denim, Rockstar style tee. So this is how the women's fits on a guy. Not too bad, not too shabby. You know, and you hit the gym a little bit more. Man, yeah, I gotta get beefy in this one. Not too bad, not too bad. The next piece that we have is the 5161 Relax hoodie in a bone. I like how, you know, it looked online. So it's a fleece on the inside. Not really my favorite, but I can tell this hoodie's gonna be more so on the comfy side. Ooh, this is a size large, I believe. Definitely has more so of a lifestyle fit. If you have a like a unisex brand, great hoodie. All my shotties running their brands. I see you guys out there. Look into AS Color. This is a good hoodie for you guys. Not a big fan of just like the standardized fit, but it does have its place in streetwear. It does have its place in lifestyle. The next piece, we have the heavy stone wash tee. This is a great mineral wash. Every brand needs a tried and true mineral wash. Ooh, off the top, like, fits good, has a decent neck. You know, they have mock necks. It just feels really, really good. You know, the drop shoulder, I like where it's at. So then the next piece we have is the staple tee. Not gonna front on you, I've been doing DTG, been printing, been running embroidery on this shirt right here. For a thinner shirt, it stands up and holds its quality. Ooh, you can't go wrong, man. Like, this is a tee that you could just wear alone. You could wear this dolo, bro. Put some K-Subi, some McQueens on. Like that. Then the next piece I have out is their super heavyweight for streetwear. Look at the neck on this, bro. So this is how this one fits. Really has that Rue Porter boxy fit. Can't go wrong with something like this. What's in this box? We're gonna rock out with this one. So I like hats. I picked up this. It's more so on that camper vibe. What up, brother? You feel me? I feel like I gotta go hop on a biker. Then I picked up some different swag, bro. The wool hats for the golf course? Come on now. I don't even care how I look in this one. Oh, shh. This one's cold, bro. The full wool cap. Then I got it just in a green colorway, so it'll pop out. The next piece I have, another staple tee, just in black. Not really gonna go through this one too much. So this is their stone wash. This is the staple tee again. So all of their t-shirts have names on the tags that you can identify exactly what you want. So the staple tee comes in like a faded, a vintage, a Henley, bunch of different ones. That's what's pretty sick about it. Then we have the heavyweight long sleeve with a solid mock neck. Ooh, this is a large. The sleeves, not really cutting it for me, but I do understand, you know, the look is baggy. I can see it in my Bob Marley mirror. Perfect for embroidery, bro. Like something thick, like right here would hit. Definitely something on the sleeves. I'd hit it with DTG. I picked up some shorts. These are more so the athletic style. This is how they fit, about a 9-inch seam. Then we picked up some swim trunks. Ooh, no cap. Like, talk about a pair of shorts that can do it all. I'm gonna come up with something right here, like some ice cream type shit, some crazy fire. I just haven't had time to cook. And then lastly, some like static tracksuit pants. I don't know how I'm vibing with these. So yeah, these are the men's training pants. Oh, I don't like how that sounds. They're not bad, but they're not good. You know, like they have their place. Maybe just not my style. Can't see what they look like, Colin, right now. Hold on, let me go look in the mirror. The way I can describe it, I got some big ass legs. Feels tighter on my crotch area. Oh yeah, they're gonna rip. This is a large, bro. Definitely size up. So with a lot of their clothing is oversized, all feels good to the touch. But just, you know, boppy. I don't know how I'm feeling about this one. I don't know. Alright, Motion Dep, as I put all this stuff away, thanks for popping up into the video. Let me know if you guys are gonna end up trying AS color. I'll go ahead and recommend staple tee, that heavy mock neck, and these swim shorts. So later on today, I'll go ahead and run a video of printing on an AS color. So you guys stay tuned. Appreciate you. As always, go get that motion. You dig.